Meow, meow. Oh, good morning. Who is waking me up? Hello, I'm Pip. Guess what day it is today? Can you guess? It is my birthday. Today we are having a party. We will bake a cake, meet our friends, play games, and open presents. Can you say party? Party, hooray. Look what the wind brought. Balloons, let us count them. 1, a red balloon. 2, a yellow balloon. 3, a green balloon. 4, a blue balloon. 5, a pink balloon. 5 balloons in 5 happy colors. Now, can you find the cat? Where is she hiding? There she is. She woke me up for my birthday. I am so excited I could jump, 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 jump. Whoa, careful, balloons. Hee hee, nothing popped. Phew. Party, party, birthday party, balloons up high and cake for me. Can you say hooray? Hooray, what a happy sound. Party, party, birthday party, balloons up high and cake for me. And now, to the kitchen, we are baking a cake. Here we are, the kitchen garden. Every birthday needs a cake. Let us bake a big one. Stir, 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 round and round. Up it goes, bigger and bigger and bigger. And now the pink icing on top. Ew. Look at that. This is a cake. Say it with me, cake. Cake, delicious. The cake is white, and the icing is pink. A birthday cake needs candles. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles, because I am 5 today. Now, can you find the little cakes on the table? There they are, one for every friend. I will just try a tiny bit of icing, just a tiny bit. Oops, pink icing on my nose. Hee hee, yummy nose. Bake, bake birthday cake, pink on top for me to take. Can you say yummy? Yummy, very good. Bake, bake birthday cake, pink on top for me to take. Now, our friends are coming, let us go and meet them. Here we are, the party table. The table is ready, but a party needs guests. Listen, I think I can hear somebody coming. Here they come, my friends. Say it with me, friends. Friends, lovely. Let us count our friends as they arrive. 1, the cow says moo. 2, the pig says oink. 3, the cat says meow. 4, the fox says yip. 5, and a bright red parrot. 5 friends at my party, hooray! Look at the parrot, red, blue and green, all at once. Now, can you find the parrot? Where is he sitting? There he is, right at the end of the table. Wait, let me count the chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 chairs, but only 5 friends. Whose chair is that? It is for you. Come and sit with us. Now the party is complete. Friends, friends, all my friends, sitting at the table with me. Can you say friends? Friends, wonderful. Friends, friends, all my friends, sitting at the table with me. Now, who wants to play a game? Come on. Here we are, the party games. This game is called ring toss. You throw a ring onto a post. Playing together is the best part. This is a game. Say it with me, game. Game, very good. Ready? Let us throw the rings and count them. 1, a red ring. 2, a yellow ring. 3, a green ring. 4, a blue ring. 5, a pink ring. 5 rings on 5 posts. What a good throw. Now, can you find the cat? Where is she watching from? There she is. cheering for us. One more throw. This one is going to be my best. Boing. Oh no, it bounced off and landed on the music box. Hee hee, that was a funny sound. Never mind. The best game is the one we play together. Throw and catch, play a game and have a laugh. Can you say hooray? Hooray, well played. Throw and catch, play a game and have a laugh. Now, it is time for the presents. Come on. Here we are, the presents. Look at them all wrapped up with big bows. A gift from a friend. This is a present. Say it with me, present. Present. Very good. How many presents are there? Let us count. 1. A red present. 2. A blue present. 3. A yellow present. 4. A green present. 5. A pink present. 5 presents. Thank you, friends. Now, can you find the cow? Where is she standing? There she is. She brought a present too. Wait, that one is wiggling. Did you see that? There it goes again. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Let us open it very carefully. Ready? A rabbit, the best present of all. Hee hee. Hello, little bunny. A friend is the nicest present you can get. Presents, presents, big and small. Thank you, friends, for one and all. Can you say thank you? Thank you. That was lovely. Presents, presents, big and small. Thank you, friends, for one and all. Now, the candles are ready. Come and sing with us. Here we are, back at the cake, and the sun is going down. Everybody is here for the best part of the party. When it gets dark, we need a little light. Say it with me, light. Light. Beautiful. Let us light the candles one by one. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little lights, all shining for my birthday. Now everybody sing, Happy birthday, dear Pip. Time to make a wish. Close your eyes and blow. Boosh. All 5 candles are out. My wish is on its way. What a wonderful party. Let us remember it all together. We woke up and balloons floated in. It was my birthday. Party, yes. Then we stirred and baked something big and pink. The cake, well done. Then 5 of them came and sat at the table. Our friends, clever you. Then we threw rings onto posts and played a game, that is right. And a rabbit hopped out of a wrapped up present. You remembered everything. Party, cake, friends, game, present and light. You are so clever. Happy day, happy night, birthday candles burning bright. Can you say happy birthday? Happy birthday, thank you. Happy day, happy night, birthday candles burning bright. What a big day, time for all of us to rest. Wave good night. Good night, thank you for coming to my party.